Who invented the typewriter? The typewriter was invented by Christopher Latham Sholes. He is credited with developing the first practical typewriter and obtaining a patent for it in 1868. Sholes, along with his colleagues Carlos Glidden and Samuel W. Soule, created the QWERTY keyboard layout, which is still widely used on modern keyboards. Their invention revolutionized the way people wrote and led to significant advancements in communication technology.